Again, Chrome HTA Bird, 3757. We're full. Good luck. Dice roll. We're going 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Guardians up top. Marlins at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Mitch up top. Andrew at the bottom. Sort them out. Guardians didn't sort. They're at the top. There's your squads. Here we go, guys. Chrome HTA Bird. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Again, guys, just 3 left in Bowman Chrome. What was that? 3650 or 3750. Good luck, HTA Bird. Here we go. First up, Connor Stain for the Colorado Rockies. And James Cox. There you go, James. Connor Stain. Next up, Christian Mania for the Chicago White Sox. White Sox and Matty Ice on the Christian Mania. Last card of the break, Anderson De Los Santos on the Speckle. 96 out of 299, Sammy B in the Orioles. There you go, Sammy. 96 out of 299 on the De Los Santos. Quick recap. Got Mania, Connor Stain, Anderson De Los Santos to 299. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.